students, welcome to virtual class of Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai Education Department. I am Mrs. Akshita Kale and today we will learn English. Come on students, let us begin our lesson. Today's subject is English of Standard First and name of the lesson is 4.7 Bicycle. Dear children, you know bicycle. Regularly we call this as cycle, isn't it? Cycle riding. But the real name is bicycle in English. Yes, dear children, here two friends are there, Raj and Varad. How they ride the bicycle and what happens between them because of a single bicycle. We will go through this lesson and try to know the matter. Okay? Bicycle. See this? This is a bicycle, isn't it? A two-wheeler. Right? Okay. Here in this lesson, only one bicycle is there and two friends are there, Raj and Varad. Okay, they have some problem between them because of this bicycle, and afterwards they only try to solve their problems. Okay, let us go through. Listen, read aloud and enact. Listen, सुनना है, read aloud, जोर से पढ़ना है, and enact means acting करना है. Okay? Now we will go through this. Here you can see a boy riding a cycle. His name is Raj. See this? Raj is on the bicycle. Correct? Raj is on the bicycle. Try to read this. Okay. Here the name of this boy is Raj and he is riding the bicycle. See this. One more boy. Varad wants it. Varad, name of this green shirt wearing boy. Okay. Varad. He wants this bicycle. Raj is on the bicycle and Varad wants this bicycle now because he want to ride this. Then what happens? Varad pushes Raj off and rides the bicycle. Varad क्या करता है? उसको धक्का दे देता है. पुश करना, धक्का देना. धक्का देता है राज को and साइकिल को खींच के लेके राइडिंग करने लगता है. See, Varad pushes Raj off and rides the bicycle. Here you can see Varad is riding the bicycle, isn't it? Next, how does Raj feel? Come on, tell me. He is Raj and he is Varad. How does Raj feel? राज को कैसा लगा होगा जब भी वरद ने उससे खींच के मीन्स उसको पहला धक्का मार के बाद में खींच के साइकिल ले लिया. राज को कैसा लगा होगा? Yes, and what about वरद feel? वरद को कैसा लगा होगा? उसने झगड़ा किया, राइट? उसको पुश किया एंड उससे साइकिल ले लिया, बट उसको कैसा लगा होगा वरद को? Yes, इधर राज क्राइस. राज को बहुत दुख हुआ और रोने लगा, राइट? He feels sad and angry. उसको बहुत बुरा लगा बट उसको गुस्सा भी आया, राइट? मुझसे उसने साइकिल को खींच के ले लिया, अदरवाइज मुझे धक्का मारा, मेरी साइकिल उसने ले ली. सो राज को पहला बुरा लगा एंड देन उसको गुस्सा आया, देन ही बिकेम एंग्री, राइट? इसके बाद में क्या होगा? यस, यू नो दैट, करेक्ट? What do you think will happen next? आपको पता है नेक्स्ट क्या होने वाला है, राइट? यस, Raj grabs the bicycle back राज ने क्या किया, उसने जाके ग्रैब किया बाइसिकल को, बोला तो खींच के अपने अंडर ले लिया। ओके, राज एंड वरद शाउट, दोनों को बीच में चिल्लम चिल्ली चालू। राज एंड वरद started to fight. See here in the picture. Then, because of that shouting, सुषमा मैडम comes over. सुषमा मैडम बाहर आई। क्यों बाहर आई वो? ये राज एंड वरद का शाउटिंग सुन के वो बाहर आई। Now, सुषमा मैडम she asked, Raj, you look upset. And Varad, you seem angry. पूछते ना क्या हुआ? Raj, why are you upset? And what about this Varad? Why he is angry? उसने पूछा। Then Raj said, I was on the bicycle. You pushed me. Don't do that. ये बोला, राज क्या बोला, मैं साइकिल चला रहा था, तूने मुझे धक्का दे दिया, ऐसा नहीं करना है। Because he was angry, so he shouted like that. Then Varad said, I want the bicycle. मुझे बाइसिकल चाहिए, बस तू ही चलाता रहेगा क्या? Like that, they again started to shout on each other. Raj and Varad both want the bicycle. What could they do? Yes, दोनों को बाइसिकल चाहिए. We know that, right? हमको पता है. Both बच्चों को बाइसिकल चाहिए. तो अभी क्या करेंगे वो लोग? Yes. Now Raj said, Varad can have the bicycle when I have finished my turn. I will ride 3 times. Yes, क्या बोला हो? Yes. मुझे पता है तुझे भी साइकिल चाहिए, बट मैं दूंगा तुझे साइकिल, कभी दूंगा? मेरा 3 राउंड होने के बाद, एक ग्राउंड का 3 राउंड होने के बाद मैं तुझे साइकिल दूंगा। तभी वरद बोला, ओके चलेगा, आई विल काउंट। दोनों के बीच में क्या होगी? सुलह होने लगी। ओके, ये बोला ओके आई विल काउंट। देन दे हैव वर्कड इट आउट। क्या हो गया? मैटर सॉल्व हुआ। Yes, now Raj is having a turn on the bicycle. According to their solution, क्या हो गया? राज ने क्या बोला था? 3 राउंड्स में चला के आऊंगा, आफ्टर दैट यू विल। करेक्ट? Like that, Raj is having a turn on the bicycle now. Okay? He takes 3 rounds. Then now it is Varad's turn. Now Varad will take 3 rounds on the bicycle. Isn't it? Yes, the matter is solved. Correct? They both had a turn. Right? Now come on, tell me, how is Raj feeling now? अभी राज को कैसा लग रहा होगा? Yes, अभी झगड़ा है क्या उनके बीच में? है? No ना? मैटर सॉल्व हो गया. Right? Problem solved हो गया. So how is Raj feeling now? He is now happy, isn't it? Yes, he is very happy. And what about this Varad? How is Varad feeling now? Yes, he is also happy because he also got the cycle to ride, isn't it? दोनों बच्चे अभी हैप्पी हो गए. एक ही साइकिल है, बट उनके बीच में क्या हो गया? उनके बीच में सुलह हो गई. वो दोनों ने नया रास्ता ढूंढ लिया. राइट? अभी दोनों हैप्पी क्योंकि दोनों साइकिल चला सकते हैं. ये पहला 3 राउंड्स मार के आएगा, बाद में वरद को देगा, देन वरद 3 राउंड्स मार के आएगा. राइट? लाइक दैट both became happy because both got the cycle to ride. Isn't it? A nice solution. Correct? वापस दोनों दोस्त बन गए. है ना? आप लोग भी ऐसे ही सॉल्व करते हो ना प्रॉब्लम्स? कभी कभी प्रॉब्लम्स हो जाता है दोस्तों के बीच में. करेक्ट? तभी क्या करना है? बीच वाला रास्ता निकालने को कोशिश करना है. Got this, children? याद रखना. Okay. Now dear children, we will move to the exercise part. Answer the following questions. Here you can see 4 questions. Small questions are there. Then we will try to answer them in simple sentences. Okay. The first one is, who is on the bicycle? Yes, who is on the bicycle? कौन था bicycle पे? Yes, very good. Answer, Raj is on the bicycle. Starting में राज चला रहा था ना? Raj is on the bicycle. Okay. Next question. What does Raj grab back? राज ने वापस क्या छीन लिया? Grabbing, छीनना. Okay. What does Raj grab back? The answer is, Raj grabs the bicycle back. Okay, got this? What do Raj and Varad want? उन दोनों को क्या चाहिए? What do Raj and Varad want? Raj and Varad both want the bicycle. दोनों को क्या चाहिए? दोनों को bicycle चाहिए, right? Raj and Varad both want the bicycle. Next, how many rounds do Raj and Varad have? कितने कितने राउंड्स निकाले? Yes. How many rounds do Raj and Varad have? Yes, the answer is, Raj and Varad had 3 rounds each. हर एक ने 3 rounds निकाला, right? So Raj and Varad had 3 rounds each. Got this, children? Like this you have to frame small sentences. Okay? How do you feel? Draw and write. Yes, dear children, this is also from your textbook. How do you feel? कैसा आपको लगता है? वो पहला ड्रॉ करना है, then write करना है, means लिखना है. Okay? We will go through the sentences. First one, when you get a chocolate. Yes, किसी ने आपको चॉकलेट दे दिया. Yes, your mother or your father, your friend, your teacher. Yes, किसी ने भी आपको चॉकलेट दे दिया, तभी आपको कैसा लगता है? How do you feel then? Yes, you feel happy, isn't it? We will write happy here. Okay, you feel very happy when you get a chocolate. Correct? Next, when you share your things. कभी आपने अपने थिंग्स को शेयर करते हो. कभी आपने अपने थिंग्स को शेयर किया है, तभी कैसा लगता है? शेयर किया मीन्स बांटते हो. दोस्तों में बांटते हो, बहन में, भाई के बीच में बांटते हो, राइट? तभी कैसा लगता है? यस, हाउ यू फील? यस, हैप्पी. करेक्ट? वेरी गुड. Next, when you help your friend. जब भी आपके फ्रेंड के पास पेंसिल नहीं रहता है और अम्ब्रेला नहीं रहती है, तभी आप क्या करते हो? उनको हेल्प करते हो. उनको और एक पेंसिल रहा तो उनको दे देते हो, नहीं तो अम्ब्रेला में उनको लेके आते हो. बट कैसे भी हेल्प करते हो, तभी फ्रेंड क्या होता है? फ्रेंड खुश हो जाता है, राइट? हैप्पी हो जाता है. तभी आप भी उसके साथ हैप्पी हो जाते हो. बिकॉज ही इज हैप्पी, सो यू आर हैप्पी, राइट? सो यू विल राइट हियर हैप्पी, isn't it? Now last one, when you lose your pencil. Yes, आपकी पेंसिल गुम गई. नहीं मिल रही है। When you lose your pencil, क्या होता है, और टीचर ने लिखने को दिया तो तुम क्या हो जाते हो? Yes, sad, isn't it? आप सैड हो जाते हो, करेक्ट? Okay. I hope you understood about the feelings, that is happy and sad. Happy होना बोला तो खुश होना, sad बोला तो दुखी होना, disappoint होना, right? Okay. Now dear children, write opposites for the following words. Okay. Now from this lesson, I have selected some easy words. Okay, we will try to write the opposites for these words. Very easy one. First, on, opposite is off. Chalu, band. Switch on, switch off. Correct? On, opposite is off. Second, push, pull. Push बोला तो धक्का देना, pull बोला तो खींच लेना. Opposite, right? Push and pull. दुकान के डोर पे लिखा रहता है ना, एक साइड से push, दूसरे साइड से pull, right? Next, sad, happy. The opposite for sad is happy and the opposite for happy is here sad, correct? Next, over, under. Over means ऊपर, under नीचे. Next, up, down. Correct? Up, down. In, out. अंदर, बाहर. Come in, otherwise go out. Correct? अंदर, बाहर. Got this, children? These are some simple opposite words. Okay, try to learn this. Okay. Now dear children, here we will try to understand and we will try to get the name of the parts of the bicycle. Okay, here see this. Yes dear children, we will go through the names of the different parts of this bicycle. Okay, see this, because you like bicycle, isn't it? And you ride the bicycle, so you must know the parts of the bicycle, right? See, this is called front wheel. Okay, सामने वाला, that is front wheel. This is seat. Here you sit and you ride the bicycle, isn't it? That is called seat. S-E-A-T, seat. Okay, see, this is handle. Next, this is called pedal. You use this pedal to ride the bicycle. When you press this pedal, the cycle moves, isn't it? So this is pedal. See, this is chain. Your chain will be there, right? You know that we call as cycle chain, right? Next, these are spokes. The single one is called spoke. Okay, the plural is spokes. See here, these wires, okay, straight wires, they join between the center of the wheel to the edge, that is called as spoke. Okay, there are so many spokes. Got this, children? Next, this is called back wheel. This is front wheel, this is back wheel. पीछे वाला wheel, right? That is back wheel. And see, this is called rod. Here you can see the rod, isn't it? That is a metal rod, so it is called as cycle rod. Okay, and here this is a gear cycle. You know the meaning of gear. It increases the speed, it decreases the speed, so that is called gear. And here you can see the gearbox. Okay, by this the cycle changes its speed. Got this, children? These are different parts of the bicycle. Okay, got this? You must know this because you ride the bicycle. If anything happens to the bicycle, then you have to tell the elder ones that back wheel has a problem or front wheel has a problem or pedal has a problem, correct? Like that. Because of this, you must know the names of different parts of the bicycle, correct? Very good. Now dear children, please try to read this lesson, okay? And try to ride the bicycle. If you ride, then it is okay. If you don't, then please learn to ride the bicycle, okay? You will have fun and it gives a good exercise to our body. Got this? Bye-bye. Thank you very much for being a part of this lesson. Please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon to get new updated videos.